time travel were possible, where would you travel to?
ऑप्शन होगी वापस आने की?
मुझे नहीं पता.
नहीं अच्छा नहीं, अगर वापस आने की ऑप्शन होगी तो मैं आई वुड गो टू माई फ्यूचर मे बी लाइक 2 years from now and I want to see a few things कि वो कैसे turn out हो रही हैं, and then accordingly I would like want to make my decisions in my present life, you know. But only if there's the option of coming back.
Only if there's an option of coming back. बस 2 साल आगे जाना है.
2 साल आगे वो मुझे पता चल जाएगा 2 साल में क्या होने वाला है.
ले, I would have wanted to go like 100 or 150 years in the future, or maybe like go
नहीं, अगर
back.
वापस आना है तो मैं 100 years बाद जाके वापस आके मुझे क्या फायदा होगा? मुझे तो 2 साल बाद का देख के मुझे मेरी डिसीजन मेकिंग में अभी हेल्प होगी ना.
चलो ठीक है यार. Wow, very practical. You really took time travel also and put some practical spin on it. कि कहीं हम मजा ना कर सके. कहाँ से मुझे बेहतरीन मुझे फायदा मिलेगा इसका.
हाँ.
Okay. If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Invisible होना, so that I can be like around people and see what they're doing and what they're talking about me and what's going on, you know.
A lot of people have said invisibility.
Really?
Yeah. What show did you binge watch embarrassingly fast?
Vampire Diaries. When I was in Australia, you know, मेरा तो वो there was this character, मुझे उसका असल नाम अभी भी नहीं पता, Damon. You know, his way of loving was मतलब he would love in such a disguised way कि even though he's the bad guy in the series, but you know, if you watch the series, you would know that he was good in a very like disguised way. So I became such a big fan. मेरा कभी कोई celebrity crush नहीं हुआ था, but that guy used to be he was printed on my bed sheet. Imagine. I went to the US और मैंने LA से ट्रांजिट ली थी just because you know मुझे था कि मुझे बेवर्ली हिल्स जाना है और मुझे वहाँ पे मिल जाते हैं ना अक्सर हॉलीवुड actors, actresses. So I was like, maybe you know, I'll get to bump into him somehow. So yeah, he was my celebrity crush.
मुझे पहले I'm not over the bed sheet.
Yeah, it's a little disturbing, but
it's very disturbing. I don't know how to respond to this.
Not in that way, but just because I was such a big fan कि मतलब मेरे you know, he was on my cupboards, he was मेरी you know इसके cover पे phone के, and then he was also on my bed sheet. तो मतलब that is how big of a fan I was.
I hope one day he watches the show.
I hope so too.